Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, Andy, okay, Naim, WCT, Cho Siansen, hello, Ong. Okay, Mui Prop, okay, today ada some movement, Okay, hello, Ben Takafu, okay, and hello, Lim, KL Lim, okay, from Fresh Eco West, no problem, Su King, EDEL, Sendai, Pestek, Mui Prop again, okay, Jordan, hello, HSI, how far it can go. Go until you believe you can all in, then they only U-turn. Okay, how about Naim from Mr. Ho? Okay, Ho We Sing. Okay, hello, hello, how are you? Hello. Yeah, please help me to click like and share lah. I think today audience not that much. So, yep, need your help, okay, to share the link to your social media or your group chat, okay, so that we can get more audience to join in, okay. So Sunway, okay, no problem. Okay, so today content, let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FPMK LCI, followed with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan. Okay, instead of you just put the stocks name, maybe you let me know lah. Okay, you already in or you plan to go in. Okay, you're looking for support or resistance. Okay, short term, long term. Okay, provide me more information lah. Okay. So disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this or QR code and you can click and join in. Okay, so let's warm up with the US market. Okay, so weekly point of view, okay, in my opinion, US market is still alright. Okay, but what we can see, this is a weekly chart. The bull is getting shorter and shorter. Okay, last week a bit weak and a little bit resistant here. Okay, doesn't mean that they will crash or what. Okay, just that the bull a little bit tired. Maybe they might need to have some retracement. Okay, for Dow Jones point of view, we can see they are at the uptrend channel resistance. Okay, so I expect maybe market may have some small correction moving forward. Okay, monthly point of view, today is a last day okay, it's end of September, so probably they will make the closing nicer as well So far, if we back to monthly chart, they are still looking good. Okay, just weekly, I expect maybe by end of this week may have some retracement something like that. Okay, but overall the structure is still favored to the bull Okay, and for the net S&P as well. Okay, they already rise for 3 weeks already, and last week closing a little bit, okay, slightly bullish only, okay, not fully bullish. Okay, so this week I expect may have some maybe some correction or profit taking activities So for S&P, take note on 5724 This is your immediate support, and if you compare out of these three markets, Nasdaq is weakest in my opinion. Okay, they attempt to break above 20.2k, but by end of week gonna rejected and form a so-called shooting star alike candle. So probably this is their resistance. So I expect maybe they may come back down to retest a support 19.8 or 19.5. Okay, if we look back on this week data, most importantly is a Friday okay, which they have a non-farm payroll. And yeah, maybe tonight later 1:55 got the Powell speech, but I think should be okay until maybe after Wednesday got more important data. Okay, so this is a market. I expect they already raised for so many weeks, at least 3 weeks already. So time for them to have some rest. Maybe we'll have some small profit taking activities Okay, and how about the oil price? Okay, for the oil price, last week closing is still not that great. Okay, they are unable to break through $72 for the oil price. So at the moment, they are at one of the crucial support Okay, this is WTI the price. Crucial support $68. Okay, if this level still unable to hold, they may come to $62. Okay, at the moment, I still yet to see any strong price action that tells me the oil may make a strong comeback. Okay, not yet. Okay, so my bias is still favor to the bear And how about the gold price? Okay, for gold is still very bullish, and at the moment maybe today Monday, right? So maybe they might have some small profit taking. Maybe they might come back down to test a 2006. Okay, but for me it's quite overbought. Okay, quite overbought. They are too bullish already. So maybe time for them to maybe take a cool down okay, cool down a bit first. Okay, and how about the cryptocurrency? Bitcoin still alright, but they are still trading within the mini downtrend channel. Okay, so pending for the breakup. Once they can break above 68k, we may see some crypto rally in the market. Okay, same to the Ethereum. Ethereum is not that strong, but they're supported by the 200 weeks moving averages. Still not really have a big move for the Ethereum, but for the Bitcoin, I think sooner or later only pending for them to break above 68k. And how about our FBMK LCI? Okay, weekly point of view, closing not that strong. And if we base on today closing, okay, our KLCI is more on a bit potong steam lah. Okay, as you can see, today is the end of September already. The September closing is not that nice, and we can see here the high is getting slightly lower lah. So crucial level is a 1640. Okay, so you can see this maybe is a pattern lah, double so-called double top lah. Okay, although this didn't hit the 1685. But this is also important level lah, 1640. If they break down, then we may see more sell down on the KLCI. So hopefully when they come back to retest a 50 MA, they can get supported. Okay, 1640 is a crucial level for the FBM KLCI. Tentatively, they're breaking down below the 20 MA. So yeah, a bit cautious lah. Okay, so let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, let me screen through. Hello, okay, Kim Sun, okay, Dayang, BM Green, Malaoff, okay, My EG, support resistant, Bobby Bang, no problem, 3383, 2013, okay, this is a 4D number, IT Max, Keyview, okay, no problem. Okay, so let's go for the first one, is a Naim. So, yeah, please help us to like and share this live session so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, how about Naim? Okay, Naim, back in 23rd of September, they do have volume pump up. Okay, but following days, okay, they not really follow through. Okay, market just pressing down. So for me, now they are still back. Okay, they are back to the support level. So take note. Okay, today volumes pun not bad, not too bad lah, the volume. And seems like they try to defend the 105 level with volumes. Okay, even though it's a slightly bearish candle lah, but we can see they do have some support at here. So most importantly, 105 is a crucial level lah for me. Okay, if you have more buffer, then you can tahan until 1 ringgit. You can see 1 ringgit lah. For me, 105 is a crucial level. Okay, cannot break. If they break down, then most likely no wayang already lah. If they can get supported, still ada chance to bounce up from here. Okay, this is a Naim, so 105, take note. Okay, if they break down, 1 ringgit is a psychology level, which they need to respect a bit lah. If break down easily, I think they could go to 90 cents or even lower. So yeah, take note on 105. If you have more buffer, you can use 1 ringgit as your last defense. But overall, in the long, short term to mid term point of view, they are still favored to the bear lah. Okay, you can see the pattern. They sell down, they rebound. Not really can go up too much. Continue sell down, go up. Also unable to go up. Kena continue sell down. So this rebound also macam not much strength. Okay, kena sell down. If this level break down, then we may expect some sell down lah. Okay, just like what happened here and here. Okay, based on the pattern. Okay, this is a Naim. Okay, how about the WCT? Tak berapa good lah. Last week, yeah, Wednesday onwards already not that great. Okay, as these counters I think I do mention before 960. Okay, actually they already broke down. Okay, last week. Okay, Wednesday break. Okay, although Thursday recover, tapi Friday also macam struggle lah, want to break down lah. Today is a confirmation to break below 960. So for me is not that strong. Okay, not that strong already for the WCT. So but if you still in, okay, you still want to give some hope this would be your last defense 915. Okay, for me, I put 960 lah, is my cut loss. But if you still already in, okay, since you already in, you want to put a last defense, is this level 915, which is 100 MAs. Okay, but at the moment, you can see 20 already crossed below 50 MA. So short term, not that great already. Okay, if this lagi breakdown, we may see more downside probably to 80 cents level. Okay, so last hope lah. This one last hope. So breakdown 915, not so great lah. They may go to 80 cents level. Okay, how about the Parkson? Parkson ada some bottoming punya feel Okay, but for this Parkson okay, the trend confirm is downtrending lah. Okay, since they break below the 200 MAs, and recently, okay, back in August, they break below 235, which was a strong support back then. So for this case, recently they found a minor support at here, 165. Okay, volume improved. Let me see. Okay, the whole September they do have some support over here. Volume boleh tahan lah. Okay, today slight higher volume pump in. So I think they do have some potential. Okay, some rebound potential lah. Okay, MACD cross up. Okay, doesn't mean that they will make a strong comeback or what. Okay, what I see is tentatively due to oversold, they need to have some rebound. Okay, so yeah, they do have a gap here lah. So I will put 190 as your immediate resistance. Okay, this is a resistance they need to clear. Once they clear, okay, 20 cents okay, 205, then 235. Okay, 205 first, then here another gap, 235, 240 lah. Okay, would be your R1, R2, R3. So tentatively based on recent build out, I think it's still alright. They do have some rebound potential. Tapi if they go below, okay, 165, okay, if they go below 165, no game lah. Ini support sudah broken, then they may go to 140 or even lower. Okay, so this is a Parkson. So how about the MSM? MSM. Okay, MSM still attempt, okay, to form a bottoming. Okay, at the moment we can see at least the selling pressure is slowing down. MACD momentum is there. Okay, but the trend point of view, the trend is still in the downtrending. Okay, just that recently back in end of August until now, this counter is forming potential bottoming. Okay, so for this one, I will still put 110 as my last defense. So they do have potential to bounce up to fill the gap, which is somewhere around 148. So for me, yeah, potential rebound trade lah. Okay, but not until reversal yet. Okay. So next one is a Mui Prop. This one, yeah, this one got a few people asking. Okay, Mui Prop. This one was in our last week watch list, right? Okay, this one was in our last week watch list, and today they do have a high volume breakout 455. Okay, yeah, even though the closing, if we zoom in and see, you can see the closing here a little bit profit taking, but it's still okay lah. Most importantly, the body is already above the resistance, which is a 455 level. Yeah, even though you can argue like this is a resistance 475, but still okay. They closed 480. Okay, for me, this case I will use a 455 as their support. Okay, because this was a resistance. Okay, tested so many times already, right? 455. Okay, most importantly, the next few days, if the price can maintain above 455 with low volumes, okay, so I guess the breakout considered valid. Okay, tapi if tomorrow, okay, they straight close below 455 with a slight higher volume or 50% of today's volume, then I think not so great lah. It could be a forced breakout. Okay, just like what happened back then, they also break out also right? They also break before. Also other volume, I think is on this state, right? Yep. Also break out with volume, but the next few days they gonna press down, then continue sideways. So if tomorrow got the price close below 455, it could be a forced breakout. Then market may remain sideways. Okay, so hopefully they can stay above 455 lah. If you want to give them a buffer, then you can minus one more bit maybe to 450 also can lah. Okay, so consider potential breakout and hopefully they can stay above 450 lah. Okay, Mui Prop covered already, and EcoWest. Okay, still other chance? Maybe. Okay, these counters I think we reviewed on last Monday before, right? I do commented this looks like a profit taking. Okay, due to I think last Monday got some good news come out lah. So people come in to maybe take profit. So at the moment you can see already so many trading days. So far they not really sell down that much. Okay, the price is still supported. Okay, not much volume, so it's still okay. Most importantly is 360 have to hold. Okay, so long the closing price is still above 360, they still have potential to bounce up. Okay, tapi if they close below 360, so sorry lah. Already feel the rebound sudah no strength and they could continue sell down. Okay, how about the Farm Fresh? FFB. Oh, still very good lah. Still good lah, okay. So they already hit, actually they already hit my target lah, okay. This is my target, which was the IPO first day resistance, okay. On first day, they do push all the way up to 182. So today, they already closed above 182, okay. So you can use a 182, maybe we round out easier lah, huh? So we use 180. So long the price above 180, they are still fine. And 197 should be the Fibonacci projection. So we can use a 197 as our next resistance. So at the moment, what I can comment is they are still in a good shape and overbought. Yeah, a bit overbought. So depends on your intention. If you are mid-term to long-term holder, nothing much to worry. Okay, only short-term trader, maybe they need to consider where to take profit only. Okay, maybe you need to take note 180 or 175 as your trading stop. Okay, how about the EDEL? No good lah. Okay, EDEL still not in a good shape. Especially you can see recently the volume is very thin. Okay, not much people inside. Okay, or you can say even they want to collect, they still collecting quietly, and we still yet to see any intention to push the price yet. Okay, so especially today they break below 340, so for me it's not that great, and they could come back down to 30 cents level. So no hurry, this one. Okay, no hurry. Yeah, most importantly, you can see the whole September not much volumes. Yeah, today volume is improved, but you can see the closing is more on close low, so it's not that great lah. So I think the bear is still in your control. So maybe this one no hurry, we can wait first. Okay, don't rush don't rush. Okay, how about the Sendai? Sendai, not much volumes. Friday they sell down, break attempt to break 530, and today also neutral. Sendai, wow, very confusing for me. It's quite mixed. Okay, from here you can see the high is getting lower. Okay, macam they are unable to go up higher and higher. Okay, so I expect they might come back down to test 495. Okay, if they break below 495, then not so good. They may come back down here. So this one also, yeah, this one at least they are better than EDEL due to discounters is still above 200 MAs. But at the moment, they are below 20, 50, and 100 MAs. Consider mid-term, short-term, not that strong. Okay, so this one, maybe you KIV on 495 first. Okay, otherwise, they could go to 425 level. Okay, which was an extreme level back then. Okay, how about the Pastec? Pastec still nothing. Still nothing. So, no hurry. Okay. Not much volumes. This one also, they do have a trap back in 16th of August. High volume pump up, but only lasts for one day. The next day, rejection and continue sell down. So even this day, they attempt to come back, also no strength. So Pastec, they might sideways for some times lah. Also, not so recommended to do anything until we see something. Okay, so maybe continue follow up. Okay, continue follow up. Okay, so how about HSI? Okay, sorry, just now I missed out these indices. Okay, weekly point of view. Actually, HSI today they hit the 200 weeks moving average resistance, which is at 21.2k lah, somewhere like that. Okay. But if we zoom out, okay, we can see a clearer picture. This one is a resistance back in 2022, March until now. So the magic number, okay, potential resistance, 22,588. Okay, potentially lah hit here lah. Okay, even you can see back in 2022 they have a strong bounce up. They also unable to clear this level. So this would be my immediate resistance now lah. Okay, but also need to respect here lah. This is a 200 weeks moving averages. I would say this is also a strong resistance. But if you're still bullish with them, okay, maybe if happen lah, they retracing down okay, hopefully they can stay above 19750. Okay, if they retrace down and get supported, I think they do have potential to make a comeback. Tapi if they straight go back below 19.750, then I think the rebound sudah habis lah. Okay, at the moment I see okay lah, based on the momentum or the sentiment in the Hong Kong, okay, is still bullish. Okay, so yeah, even though they have a profit taking, we see how strong is the profit taking activities. Okay, so Naeem we covered. Okay, how about the Sunway? Okay, Sunway is still alright lah. Okay, momentum all okay. Actually, not much volume also lah. End of September until now, okay, the whole week already. Actually, not much volume for Sunway. Okay, the big trend point of view, this counter is still in the uptrending, and most importantly, the price is above all moving averages. Okay, consider quite bullish lah. Okay, quite bullish lah. Still alright. HLB. Okay, let me see. HLB is a Hong Leong Bank. Okay, banking is still alright, but for me, a little bit overbought lah. So, if you're already in, yeah, no problem lah. If you just plan to go in, for me, is too late to plan lah. So, yeah, 21 ringgit is an important level for them. So 21 and 2080 is the support for the Hong Leong. Okay, so today more on profit taking, as you know. Just now when we review KLCI, they also a little bit profit taking activities. Okay, market not as strong as we thought lah. Okay, this one is a new Hong Fat Holdings. Okay, technical point of view, still good. Okay, at least this one they retrace 200 MA supported. Continue push up. Okay, even though I not really like the chart lah, it looks like quite illiquid. The big trend point of view, volumes based on recent performance is still okay. If you like it, I think it's still alright lah. Okay, for me, I not so, maybe due to this is a 2 ringgit counters. Not many people inside. Now this one you can see the chart is very illiquid. Okay, the trend is still alright lah. Okay, so yeah, they come back down, retrace down to retest 200 MAs and continue rise up. So it's still in a good shape, and yeah, turn on their resistance now 220, 215, 220 is their immediate resistance. Okay, we go to Hong Kong a while for the 3319. 3319. A Living. This one, what happened? Downtrending since 2020 September. Okay, so you can see since about 4 years back until now, they not really can stay above 200 MAs. Okay, even can only last for a few months, then continue sell down. Okay, here as well, back in 2022, 2023 as well. Okay, you turn on the orange line will do. Okay, so yeah, by zooming in, you can see they have several attempts to rebound, but not so successfully. Okay, back in May as well. Okay, also attempt to make a comeback, but by end of day also kena press down. Okay, so at the moment you can see these 3 weeks not 3 weeks, sorry, it's these 3 days they have a strong push up. So for this case, probably you need to turn on $3 lah. If they go below $3, means sudah habis lah. Okay, if happen they can go up, yeah, you need to respect $4. Okay, $4, which was resisted back in February and May. Okay, resisted twice already. So you need to take note, this is your immediate resistance. Okay, so for me, the trend is still in the downtrending. So most likely just a rebound at the moment. but they already approaching the target already lah for me. Okay, this as well also is a downtrending counters since 2021. Okay, before that is still okay. So recently, yeah, I think it's a stimulus lah. Market volume improve. You can see the volume improve and break out 200 MAs. Okay, so far still good. So for this, you need some protection lah. In case the U-turn 170. Okay, take note on this level 170 As long as they are above 170, still okay. The game is still on. Tapi if they go below 170, maybe rebound sudah habis lah. So the next resistance to take note is a 225 level. Okay, these counters, I would say tentatively we see it as a rebound first. Okay, rebound first. Okay, back to Malaysia, Suncon, first one. Suncon review, still alright. Okay, the sun is still there. Okay, high volume on 19th of September. After that, okay lah. Okay, MACD crossover. So yeah, this one is still alright. Okay, still alright. So long they are above 430, I would say they are still in a quite a good shape lah. How about the VLB? Neutral. Okay, neutral. I would say even though they might break down, tapi not happen yet. Okay, even though here they got a strong sell, tapi they managed to support the price lah. For VLB, you take note on 50 cents. Okay, you take note on 50 cents. So long the closing price above 50 cents, still ada some game lah. Tapi if they close below 50 cents, then most likely no good already. Okay, how about the Kuching? Kuching Go. Oh, rebound sudah habis. Okay, no strength. Okay, they already break below 355. Yeah, even though 19th of September they got volume come in. Okay, 25th of September also volume come in. Tapi macam not much strength. Okay, this one I think they still need some times. Okay, for the time being, their immediate support is a 325. So I guess, yeah, maybe here lah. Sorry. Maybe they do have a gap up. So here become a gap support 325. But for me, overall, they are still not that strong. Okay, volume, yeah, the volume indeed, they convinced me a bit lah. Like 19th of September, 25th, and even today, the volume slight improve. I would say, yeah, pending for the breakout above 355. Once they can break through, I think they do have something lah. Okay, here. Okay, they've been sideways here already. Okay, pending for the breakout. Okay, another attempt to break above 355. Once they break, I think got chance to re-challenge the 40 cents level. So for this one, short-term point of view, yeah, monitor for the potential breakout loh. So I can say, ada some feeling lah, tapi don't know can or not. Okay, so how about the... Hey, I miss out who one? Okay, no. Okay, then 3 IT Max. Okay, IT Max still alright lah. Okay, this one not many trader inside kacau punya. You see 3-4 ringgit punya, usually is a legit investor inside lah. So the movement is still okay. So long they are above maybe 345 lah, maybe 345, they are still in a good shape. And take note on the resistance 367. Okay, this is a IT Max. And how about the key view? Okay, key view, still alright. Okay, take note on 225 lah. Okay, take note on 225, above 225, still alright. Okay, still alright. Okay, 3383. Okay, Hong Kong counters, another pump up. Okay, if you look back previously back in when May. Okay, they also have an attempt similar pattern this time also similar pattern or you can see they macam also break out tapi by end of day also gonna press down back. Okay, so this one maybe we also need to use a 60 cents lah as our support. Okay, this one penny stocks. So yeah, I think just for me, just a hype. Just a hype. So if you see money, you can take money lah. I don't think they can last too long lah. Okay, just they join the trend only lah. The most I think about 90 cents level. So yeah, if you got profit, then cabut already lah. Okay, hello Anthony, how are you? Okay, S1, S2, R1, R2, PBA. Oh, PBA not that strong. They break below 240 already. Okay, so I guess they might come back down to test the support, which is somewhere around 215. Okay, and some more, they already break below 20 MAs. So I guess they might come back down to the support lah. So for the resistance, maybe I will put here lah, 250. Okay, resistance 250, support 215. Okay, I guess short term point of view, they might retrace down further for the PPA. Okay, how about the CTOS? CTOS, not that strong. Not that strong. Okay, even though they macam found a support lah. Okay, at the moment 122 is their immediate support. Okay, but the momentum, I guess they still want to break down punya feeling lah. Okay, so if they break below 122, they might come back down to 112 level. Okay, if happen, they can rebound up. Yeah, that good lah. Okay, the resistance would be 132, 134 until 138. Okay, for me, not that great now. Okay, how about the Gtronic? Gtronic, in my opinion, the rebound looks like over already. Okay, because on last Wednesday, they do have a shooting star, a light candle at here. Okay, they bounce up, a shooting star here. Then the next day, okay, next 3 trading days is a bearish candle, sell down. And somehow they break below 70 cents, which is the 20 MA. So for me, looks like the rebound macam over already, and they could come back down to 635, 630 level. Okay, maybe 635, 610 level would be your immediate support. Okay, for me, not so strong already lah. Most likely is a rebound habis, they take profit already. So they might come back down. So 10 610, 635, any support. If no, then they might continue dive down to 545. And for the resistance point of view, 70 cents. Okay, so for me, looks like due to oversold, they rebound, they take profit already. Okay, so yet to detect any buyer in lah. How about the MyEG? Okay, MyEG back in the sideways zone. Okay, even though back in 18th of September, they have the attempt to break up, tapi not successfully lah. So now they back to the sideways zone. Okay, so for me, MyEG is in the sideways zone. So long they are above 5840, they are still okay lah, still at that potential lah. Just we don't know they want sideways for how long only loh. Okay. Okay, Bobby Bank. Semua sama. Already break 20 MA, started, okay, short term started to take some profit lah. Okay, so 455 would be your immediate support. If they break down, they might go to 444 lah. So for me, they started to looks a little bit weak. Okay, based on the daily point of view. Okay, based on the short term lah, or a little bit weak. So take note on 455 loh. If they break down, I guess they might come to 440 level like that. Okay, for the resistance, 468. Okay, so yeah, just now when we look at the KOCI, I guess they might have some correction or retracement soon. Mala off. Okay, this one is surprisingly still okay, even though last Friday they break below the 915. Okay, tapi recover not much volume lah. You can see today recovered not much volume, but okay lah. At least they take the chance to push the price back. So for me, Mala off, I guess they are still okay. Just if today got more volume, then better lah. They push out, not much volume follow. Okay, if they have more volumes, then give us more confidence, right? If you're interested with these counters, maybe you can take note somewhere around 920. If they go back below 915, then not so nice, bro. Okay, how about the Dayang? Dayang still want to come back. Tapi we need to see whether they can go back above minimum 230. Okay, previously I do commented they not that strong because they already below 200 MAs. Okay, but so far they try to defend a 208 level. So this level is still supported lah. Okay, pending for them to break out above 230, then 242, then they do got chance to make a comeback. Okay, tapi if they come up unable to clear, they might continue sell down. Okay, so now still in a 50-50 chance. But if want to say the trend, they are still weak lah. Okay, because they already below 200 MAs, below 50 and below 100 MAs. Okay, at the moment they are just right above 20 MA. So still got some rebounding opportunity. Okay, W I would say not that high chances lah. Okay, so yeah, compared with previously, you can see they are still in a good uptrending. Now they macam kena pressure lah. Okay, not that strong. Okay, not that strong. Okay, how about the BN Green? BN Green. Okay, BN Green hit resistance 185, unable to go through. Today also with some profit taking activities. Okay, so they could go back to test 168 or 158 level. So you can see previously they supported here, come up, unable to go through. Then they might come back down to test 158. So for me, short term point of view, they are no longer that strong because 20 already crossed below 50 MA lah. Okay, so yeah, as long as above 158, still okay. Okay, tapi below 158, not so good already. Okay, how about the NVIDIA? NVIDIA, we go US a while. NVDA. Still fightable lah, I would say. But if speaking about the top, let me see. This one memang gila. Everyone like, then okay. Maybe you can say this is they are still forming a symmetrical triangle pattern lah. Okay, I would say they are still strong. Okay, so for them to make a move, they need to clear 128. Okay, once they clear 128, I think they do have chance to have some rally. Okay, otherwise you can see the highs is getting lower. Okay, but here also got the low also getting higher lah, so they form a triangle. Okay, so for the support, maybe I will put at 115 low. 115 would be your immediate support. And if they break below 110, then overall not so cantik lah. Okay, maybe the trade plan would be like that. Okay, at the moment they are still in the within the triangle. Okay, so if they break below 110, maybe they may have a stronger retracement. If they are able to break above 128, they do have chance, okay, potential to make a strong comeback. Okay, trend point of view, this counter is still in the uptrending lah. Okay, UUE, new counters, okay, back in 2nd of July. Okay, first day IPO, high volume pump out, push all the way up. Okay, then they smash down. So far, 625 is a level they quite like to support it lah. Okay, even on the first day, they also supported quite well, 625. So now they back to the support. Okay, if we zoom in, actually recently not much volume for these counters as UUE. So I guess they might go sideways if you still interested with them. Okay, take note on 620, 625 low, stay above, still okay lah. Break below then not so good. How about the ECA? ECA? No lah, skip lah this one. What I can say, they are still in a bad shape. Okay, ever since actually this counter is below 200 MAs, right? All this while below 200 MAs. Then ever since they break below 370, no good lah. Okay, and recently break 320, no good. And you can see these 2 days, okay? Friday open gap down is not a good thing and close low. Today another open gap down, close low. So low can be lower, cheap can be cheaper, and we yet to see any rebound sign. Okay, any sign of rebounding? Not yet. So don't do anything. Okay, is helping your wallet lah. Okay. Okay, how about MFLA? MFLA, I think, let me see, ada chance. Okay, MFLA. Okay, MFLA, most importantly, 70 cents. Okay, I'll put in the watch list as well lah. Okay, so if by looking at this, you can see recently they have a good pull up. Okay, the 2024 lah, the whole 2024, they do have a good uptrending. Then they faces some profit taking or correction lah. Then 70 cents is supported, 200 MA is supported. So most importantly is a long-term line lah, cannot break down 70 cents. So now since mid-July or August onwards, they still in the range. As long as they don't break below 70 cents, I think they are still watchable lah for this MFLA. So level to break 755 lah. Okay, so they are in the range. If they are able to break out, then you may have some move lah. So yeah, watchable this one. Okay, let me see on the MACD ada give us more confidence Yeah, okay lah, boleh, can. Okay, so this one watchable. As long as above 70 cents below 70 cents memang no good lah. Okay, PA this one actually not so strong. Okay, you can see this is a sell down, right? So the rebound unable to go through, sell down again, rebound unable to go through again. So for me, this PA is no longer that strong because they are already below 200 MAs. Okay, so yeah, even though here they do have some divergence, but I still use a 200 MAs as our guidance. They are below, then not so good lor. Unless they can go back above 340, then we can review again. Otherwise, I would say not so great lah, not so great yet. Okay, so 30 cents too far already. Okay, 310 would be my immediate support. If they break down, I think they will have more seller. Okay, otherwise, yeah, because these few weeks they are still trading within the range. So pending for them to go up or go down only. 310 or 340. Okay, pending for them to break either way. So how about the LBS? 19, 20, 23 got volumes unable to go through 680. Then some retracement. This one also mixed feelings because they are like breaking down below 200 MAs. So for this case, maybe we can put support at 640, resistance 680. Resistance here, support here. So either to break down or break up. Oh, nila. At the moment, I would say they are starting to, okay, they are no longer that strong as previously. Okay, previously is a very strong bullish uptrend. Now it's more on mix and they are like starting to turn down. Okay, so LBS, how about the E and O? Macam rebound pun habis This E and O they also bounce up all the way to 1 ringgit only. They have started to profit taking activities lah. Okay, lucky thing is Friday and today not much volumes when they sell down, so maybe we can give them a last chance at 895. Okay, take note at 895. If they can stay above, still ada chance lah. Tapi if they break below, no good already lah. Okay, so take note on 895 for this E and O. Okay, how about the Ncomi? This one, nothing. Okay, I would say still nothing. Most likely they will continue sideways. Okay, so and some more this counter is still below 200 MAs. For me, not that strong lah. Okay, how about Notion? Notion fightable or not? Yes, Friday break below 200 MAs. Okay, at the moment, Notion last chance already 880. Okay, 880. If they break down, I think they will have more selling for this Notion. Okay, as we can see, these counters this is a sell. Okay, they hit 880, rebounded up sideways. Okay, so now they have two choice lah. Okay, either go up above 120 or go down. Okay, once they break 880, means they also give out to defend this level already. They might come back to maybe 60 cents level. Okay, so if they break below 880 means the selling pressure continue, just like this one. Okay, once they break, they might continue sell. Okay, so cannot break down 880. How about the MI? Also not that strong. Even they bounce up, they also unable to go through 200 MAs. So at the moment, these counters come back to their support 180, 175. Okay, take note this level cannot break. 175, 180 cannot break. Then tak cantik lah. Okay, P-Cham. Petronas Chemical. Surprisingly, Wednesday, they make some comeback. Okay, make a comeback lah on last Wednesday, 25th of September. Other volume pump out, go back above 560. So for me, is they are still other chance lah. Okay, at least they are trying to defend the price already. Okay, someone got volume supported. Okay, so long they are above 560, I think it's okay. And yeah, they do have potential to form a bottoming. Okay, at the moment this is what I see and what I feel. Okay, hello Gamuda. Okay, sorry. Hello Emily. Okay, Gamuda at the moment at the resistance 835. Okay, as you can see since July until now. Okay, 835 hit and hit also. So this would be their strong resistance. Okay, so in short-term point of view, I think they need to have some correction or some profit taking come back to test a support, which is somewhere around 770. Okay, trend point of view, big trend point of view, this counter is still in the uptrending, but for the resistance point of view, they are at the potential resistance, they are potential topish lah. Okay, hold on let me see. RCE. Oh, okay. Started to have some, how to say, started to have some profit-taking activities, just like what happened back then. Okay, I guess they might come back to retest a 200 MAs level for this RCE, which is somewhere around 150, 148 would be your immediate support zone. Okay, Edaran ada chance. Let me see. Fireable or not? Okay, due to 18th of September, they have a big seller come in. So for me, chances is lower. Okay, still ada chance, tapi lower chance low. Okay, for this case, maybe we put 145 as our last defense. Above 145, still ada chance. Below 145, no good already. Okay, immediate SNR for the Franken. This one disappointed. Okay, previously I commented they are still have potential to bounce up tapi only up for few days. Then last Monday onward, they started to take profit. Okay, at the moment their immediate support definitely is a 355, 340 level. Okay, this is a support zone. And for the resistance, of course need to take note on the 380, which is somewhere nearby 200 MAs. And the stronger one for ringgit since they hit, they are unable to go through. Okay, 355 immediate support. Okay, 355, 340 and your immediate resistance 380, then 4 ringgit. Gintech no game no game disappointed. Okay, Friday already ugly Okay, Friday when they break below 930 already not good already. Okay, they somehow break below the 20 MA. So today another sell down and they are approaching or revisiting 80 cents level. Okay, so WCT we covered. Okay, how about the Genting Malaysia? Ada some volumes at 238 levels. Okay, for Genting Malaysia, actually my ideal level is somewhere around 230 lah. Okay, because all this while, okay, all this year, they have been tested very well at 230 level. Tapi you can see, okay, let me delete some line first. And they also resistant well. Okay, this is when this is a 2021 March until now. So means after COVID also lah. And this one I think got a lot MCO things lah. You can see even though with those MCO things Genting Malaysia still can stay well, okay, stay above the 230, 238. So for me this is a strong support. Okay, since 2021. Okay, cannot break lah. Once they break, you may see 2 ringgit or 180 level already. Okay, so yeah, even they can go up. Yeah, so far these few years maximum they can go is somewhere around 27 something and 280 only. So at the moment Genting Malaysia is at the support lah. So long they can stay above 230 lah. Okay, tapi we don't know lah. Maybe market got some crisis or something happened. Maybe they might break down. Once they break down, they could go to 180 level. But if nothing big happen, I think most likely this zone will be supported lah. Okay, once a while they will have some black swan event just like back in November 22. Okay, the most they go down was somewhere around 215, 216 like that lah. Okay, maybe we put a 220 217 lah. Okay, bonus this one. If something very bad happen, maybe they might overshoot to 217 level. Okay, so for me, Genting, okay, momentum point of view, of course, not that strong lah, because already below 200 MAs. Okay, based on recent performance, I guess they do have chance to bounce up a little bit more. Okay, for this Genting Malaysia. Okay, how about the Genting? Today also got some volume macam mau. Okay, tapi okay, my ideal level for Genting, okay, also all this while you can see since 2021 until now, their strong support was somewhere around 390 to 4 ringgit. Okay, this one, if happen they come back here, no need to think already lah. You can plan a little bit lah. Okay, tapi they are unable to go up too far lah. Okay, the most you can see average the price is around 490 like that only. Okay, so they are trading within 4 ringgit to 490 like that only. Okay, all this while since 2021. Okay, what you earn is maybe dividend or capital gain. I think okay only. Okay, so based on today price action, yeah, they do have some volume supported, break above 420. So I guess they do have some chance to bounce up a little bit more to maybe 440 level lah. Okay, for them to make a comeback, they need to go up further, maybe to 450 or above. Okay, even how far they can go, they also maximum 490 level at the moment. Okay, so Genting Malaysia, I think short term got some potential rebound punya signal lah. How about the Saipak? Chance still ada. Okay, chance still ada. Okay, because Saipak already above 20 MA, okay, already above 20 MA, momentum ada. So I will say the chances is still there as long as they don't break below 650 lah. They don't break below 650, then okay. Superlink is still rebounding, especially Friday they do have some volume pump up. And now already approaching the resistance 108. Okay, take note, 108 would be your immediate resistance. How about the Mr. DIY? Tada. Okay lah, still okay lah. Today ada some volumes. Yeah, even they attempt to break out on Wednesday. Thursday is still okay. Friday smashed down. Tapi I would say they are still the structure is still healthy. MACD is still okay. So this one maybe we can take note on 208. So long the price above 208, still okay lah. Okay, RCE cap we covered. We go for the Affin lah. Wow, no good. It looks like I noticed most of the banking is like profit taking already. So most likely in the short term they might have some sell down like that lah. Okay, Affin also not that great. Today they break 290, they break 280, closing 278. So based on this momentum and the volumes, they could have chance to, okay, they might visit 260 level lah. Okay, unless they can recover back above 290, then different story lah. Okay, how about the Tenaga, TNB. Tenaga also a bit toppish. Actually, they also have some bearish divergence lah. Okay, so this one I would say Tenaga a little bit weak. Okay, they break 20 MA, so maybe they might come back to 14 ringgit like that lah. Okay, short term point of view, most of the counters macam not that strong lah. Okay, not that strong. Even close green punya, I would say okay only. Okay, how about the P metal? P metal recently bounced up. Chances ada. Okay, momentum okay lah this one. So this one 480 loh. Okay, most importantly for P metal have to stay above 480. Okay, above 480 should be alright. Below 480, no game. And their immediate resistance they are already tested twice lah. 515 unable to go through. Okay, this is a P metal. Senfeng. Senfeng is still alright. Not really jalan too far or what. Okay, hold on. Let me load the indicators. Okay, high volume on 24th of September. And these few days, actually, they are more on neutral sideways. So I would say they are still in a good shape. So long above 110, Senfeng is still okay. Okay, this one I put in my watch list lah. Okay, still valid. GDP. GDP should be nothing this one. More on sideways based on what I see on the naked chart Most likely Most likely these counters they are still trading within the range. Okay, we don't know what they want to do. So this one you use 30 cents as your support lah. Above 30 cents, you want to see still okay. Below 30 cents, then not so great lah. They may come back down to 275 level. Okay, how about the Yongtai? No game You also need to see Yongsang want to give money or not Okay, high volume pump up on 3rd of September, but following days not really jalan already. Okay, Yongtai no energy So yeah, unable to go through 200 MAs. Okay, now back to support lah. So this one I would say, yeah, depends on them lah. Okay, speaking about the game, I would say so long they are above 225, still ada potential. Okay, tapi if they close below, then no game lah. Just that at the moment, I don't know how long they want to go sideways lah. Okay, so how about the X industry? Okay lah. Okay, high volume on 24th. Then they diam for 3 days already. Today another open gap up, pump up. Okay, but they hit a resistance 450. Okay, this one I guess still have potential They already sideways here for so long. You can see they sideways here for so long. Then they pump up. Okay, so for me it's still okay. Just that today they hit R1 already. Okay, they hit one of the resistance. Okay, I speed too slow already. I try to speed up a bit. VS okay, not that strong, tapi they are at the support. Okay, important level. Maybe I put a 970. Okay, so take note on this level. 970 is also a 200 MAs. If they break below 970, so sorry lah, not nice already. If they can stay above, still okay lah. Still ada chance to fight. Okay, below 970, no game Energy PNERGY. Okay. This one short term, mid term getting weaker, tapi long term is still okay because they are still above 200 MAs. Okay, at the moment maybe I put 125 as their last defense lah. Okay, and I'm seeing they might come back down to test a 125 level. Okay, short term point of view, you can see they are already below 20, 50, 100 MAs. And 20 MA already crossed 50 and 100 MAs. 50 MA already crossed 100 MAs. Okay, which is indicate that short term, mid term not good lah. Okay, long term last chance 125. Okay, how about the data prep? MSM we covered data prep. Still nothing still nothing. We wait for the price action trigger otherwise they might sideways for forever. Okay, they might sideways forever. Okay, JT Group from Hawk. Okay, also not so good JT Group. Okay, tak berapa cantik. Okay, weak. So yeah, even though now at the support, but I will say not much volume as well. Not much volume as well. So currently at support 440, next support 415. But I will say no good Okay, at the moment, not so strong. Okay, Genting we covered. We go for the Anju. Hold on, Anju still nothing Review Genting we covered. Anju ever since they break below 1 ringgit already not that great. Okay, so I still see nothing yet. Okay, even though MACD already showed that they are no longer that bearish, I need a price action triggered at least a bullish candle with volumes. I only dare to say they are at the potential bottoming. Okay, at the moment today also close rate, so for me it's still not that strong yet. Okay, so speaking about their immediate support, maybe we can use a 915 Okay, but yeah, wait for the price action triggered Don't know they want to follow P metal or not Okay, how about the ceiling? Ceiling, I would say still alright, not too bad. Okay, tenor on 30 cents Tenor on 30 cents. So long above 30 cents, maybe still alright. Okay, this is a ceiling. And how about the WTC? New counters Okay, this one back in August. Okay, so 1 month only today 30th of September only So yeah, about 1 month only. So they are back to the support back in the 29th of August, which is a 365. Okay, volume slight improve at here with a so-called hammer alert candle. Maybe they might bounce out a little bit to test a 40 cents level Okay, at the moment I think most likely they will go sideways Okay, as this one you can see they trap quite a lot of people inside already, especially this date. So probably they will go sideways to make them cut loss I think most likely will go sideways Okay, how about the Artronic? There's some volume recently. Okay, these counters correct Artronic. Okay, yeah. Okay, previously they do a money game pump and dump So based on technical, this one also is a penny stocks Okay, the only convinced me is a volume back in 26th of September So probably very penny, very high risk. Okay, so long they are above 0.095, they do have potential for bouncing up a little bit more, maybe to 130 or 135 but if they go back below 0.095, then no game totally no game. Okay, SSE index let me see if I can find this index Indices futures, SSE futures. Okay, how about I use indices? Okay, I'm not sure your SSE is a Thailand SET. Okay, I'm not sure which one. SSE index. Okay, let me know more details about the index. Which one? Okay, how about the Singkong? Singkong. Yeah. Oh, new counters back in May. Okay, for the structure point of view, I would say it's still alright. Okay, especially recently they have volume improved end of September, volume improved. SSE is a China index. Okay, hold on, later I find. I'm not so familiar with them. Okay, so 27 also got some rejection. Oh, for me, they are still okay, just that they are in the sideways zone. Oh, they are in the sideways zone. Now, let me see if I can find the China index. Oh, this one, SSE 50 futures. I think it's this one, right? The price is about 2008. They are breaking 2023. Yeah, correct. This one. Okay, let me know if correct or not. Okay, yeah, if correct, later we come back lah. This one. Okay, for me, because tomorrow onwards is their holiday also. So I'm not sure is it they want to make the closing looks nice for the September. Okay, so I would prefer wait for until next week end. Okay, we see how it's going, whether they have got the profit taking activities or not. Okay, because this just for me just a manipulate lah. Okay, if your economy no good is they were back in the square one Oh, so for this one maybe SSE com. Okay, this one 3003. Yeah, should be this one I follow this They go back to 3. Okay, for this one maybe 3002. Okay, 3150 is an important support for them, and they are approaching the 3399. Okay, which is a 2023 resistance. Speaking about the trend, if the 200 MAs you can see the 200 MAs actually is still in a downtrending. Okay, just a short-term spike out only lah. Unless the 200 MA started to slope up, only consider they got chance lah. Okay, tapi I would say short-term point of view, yeah, indeed they are still very strong. Okay, and also they kena pressure for so long already. Time for them to rebound strongly. Okay, just a rebound strongly lah. So if you put a line here, 3390 or 3004 lah, easier to remember. See 3004 here was a support, right? They turn into resistance. So here is a place we need to take note. Okay, if they can clear, okay, maybe 3006, which I think they might go up more than 3004, maybe to trap more people lah. Okay, at the moment I would say the closing momentum is still very good. Okay, yet to see any reversal sign. Okay, but maybe this could be, yeah, they make a monthly chart close nice also lah. They also supported by the 200 months moving averages. Okay, so yeah, still okay based on now, but I would prefer wait until next 2 weeks. I want to see the true face. Okay, because recently just some news and the rate cut these are to make the market more happening. Okay, but we don't know, is it a real seller want to come out or not, or is it a real buyer inside? Okay, Banana not in a good shape because they already broke below 30 cents, broke below 305. No good. Okay, wait until they come back lah. Okay, so how about the Amala off covered already, WCT covered already, HAWK let me see. Wow, new counters washed down everyone kena trap 30 cents also break already, no good. Okay, wait something. Okay, wait signal lah. Okay, sorry some I only can answer 1 or 2 counters, otherwise we overrun already. Okay, K1 also no good leh, already break 200 MAs. Yeah, even though back in 17th of September they have volumes lah, tapi no good. Okay, still no good. Okay, IJM, you want the support? Okay, short term not so strong. Okay, tenor on 280 lah. Okay, we see any chances to get supported by 280. Okay, KSL. Okay, still alright. KSL, still okay. So tenor on your resistance only 2 ringgit. Okay, support 186. Okay, E&O we covered already. 9988. Hit all my target already. Even here also hit 109. So if you still greedy mode, max 11114 like that lah. Oh, look back. Okay, look back to the history. 111, yeah, actually few dollars difference lah. Okay, you can see all this one since 2022 the rebound always, okay, the extreme level always is somewhere around 114, 116 lah. So yeah, I feel, yeah, don't too greedy. I feel now a lot retailers they are coming into Hong Kong market, so maybe they might wash down a little bit lah. Okay, see profit, take profit first lah. $16. Okay, so long above $16, maybe they are still okay, and tenor on $20 1950. Okay, your immediate resistance 1950, 22. Okay, I need to skip some already, otherwise I cannot tahan already, my throat. Okay, Sun Zhen is still okay lah, I would say. Okay, 320 supported. So far, not really jalan that much. Momentum still okay. Trend still okay. So long above 320, I would say still okay lah for this one. MSN covered. Here we go for the Inari. No good lah. Inari break 3 ringgit already, and time for them to maybe come back down to 280 level. So bear still in control. Okay, so how about Hibiscus? Also not so good. Below, yeah, Hibiscus is still in the downtrending. So I guess they might come back down to test somewhere around 193 or 190 level. Okay, if you want to try bottom catch, wait lower lah, somewhere around 190. But high risk high risk. Okay, so let me skip some already. Crestone. This one I think CRESNDO. Okay. I think we reviewed last week. Okay, Thursday they are still in a good shape. Unfortunately lah, they have a breakout, tapi the next day makan back. Okay, some more with volumes. So you can see these 2 days the sell down, the volume also very strong. So for me, they are a little bit topish, and most likely they may come back down to test maybe 145 or 135 level S1, S2. Okay, let me Simprop. Okay, and another is what? MN Holding. MN Holding is still in a sideway. Nothing much lah, I would say, or most likely might continue sideway low. Okay, but the trend point of view, they are still in the uptrend lah. Simprop. Simprop is still okay lah. Okay, still okay lah. Okay, how about KPJ? Sorry, KPJ. KPJ, okay. Recently they break above 2 ringgit, then they rise up lah. Just a small retracement, acceptable lah, above 205. Okay, so long above 205, they are still alright. SKB Shutter. Support lah, 83 cents. Okay, as you can see, they tested here twice. Here didn't test lah. Test here. So now it's at immediate support, but if a stronger support would be 830 level. Okay, immediate support is 90 cents. Okay, power, well. Okay, this one, MACD cross up, chances is still there, because they do supported well at the 200 MAs. Recently go back 390, so I would say S1, S2 here. As long as above 390, I would say they do have potential lah, still strong lah. Okay, the only thing is lack of volume only. Okay, the volume tak berapa follow up. Be worth to monitor lah. Okay, still okay. If happen, they can go up. Take note on 4450 as your immediate resistance. Okay, so let me choose Tenaga. I'm sorry, TM. Tenaga we covered already. Telecom. Okay, Telecom is still in a sideways zone. Okay, so long they are above 650, still alright. Okay, still alright. Okay, Hibiscus covered, Powerwell covered, and Tenaga covered. Okay, Becca. BCCA. Okay, even though they have a rejection on Tuesday, okay, today recover back 129. Momentum ada. Okay, chances, I think okay lah. Okay, so this one, for this case, I will put 125 as my last defense. Okay, above 125 is still alright. Okay, still have potential lah. Below 125, then no good lor. Okay, Encomin we covered already. Okay, last one no more already Pindai penny stocks sorry. At the moment penny trend I feel not yet. Okay. When they come you can see a lot penny stocks they have volumes one. Okay, at the moment I will say they are still in the sideways lah. Okay, either you buy and hold and wait only lah, or wait for some price action, wait for the volume or the team. Okay, otherwise not worth to stuck your money inside lah. But if you're still interested with these counters, 10 on 0.09. Okay, so long the price above 0.09 may be okay. Tapi they might sideways for a couple of weeks and months. Okay, also possible lah. Okay, so that's all for today. And yeah, if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code and then click in. Later I will share the watch list. Okay, those we discussed it, and I feel the structure is still not too bad one. I will put inside which is I think still worth to monitor. Okay, then you can monitor as a case studies. Okay, so yeah, and thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have a interactive live chat. Okay, please do remember to help us to click like. Okay, so I notice our like not so enough lah. So yeah, please help us to click more like and also share lah. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you on Wednesday. Okay, 8:30. Thank you everyone. Good night.